Ever noticed how suddenly everyone starts talking about the same coins? One month it's NFTs, then it's meme coins, then AI coins take over, prices explode, and a few months later, silence. That's not luck, that's a narrative, the hidden story that moves the entire crypto market. A crypto narrative is simply the story people believe in at a given time. It's what gives a group of tokens attention, hype, and funding. Every bull run, there's a new storyline that promises to change the game, and when that story spreads, money follows it. Narratives move in cycles, just like trends. It starts with innovation, a new idea or tech breakthrough. Then comes attention. Influencers, media, and YouTube start talking. Next is money. Investors rush in. Finally, exhaustion. Everyone's in and hype fades. Then, the next story begins. Let's look back. In 2017, the ICO boom. Every project promised to be the next Ethereum. In 2020, DeFi summer. Yield farming and staking ruled the charts. 2021, NFTs and metaverse took over mainstream media. 2023 and 2024, AI and real-world assets became the new obsession. Each time, the theme changed, but the pattern stayed the same. Why narratives work? Crypto is still a story-driven market. People don't just buy coins, they buy beliefs. A narrative gives direction to millions of traders who otherwise have no roadmap. When people agree on the same story, it becomes self-fulfilling. Prices rise because everyone believes they will. Spotting the next narrative early. The question smart investors ask isn't which coin should I buy, it's which story is starting to spread. To spot it early, look for new keywords showing up on X, Reddit, or YouTube. Projects getting early funding or partnerships. Narratives that solve real problems, not just hype. If you see these signs before the crowd, you see the next wave coming. But here's the catch. Narratives fade fast. Don't chase every trend. Use them as signals, not gospel. Remember, when everyone starts shouting the same word, it's usually too late. Be curious early, be cautious late. Narratives are the heartbeat of crypto. They shape which technologies grow, which fade, and where the next bull run begins. But if you understand them, you don't just follow the market, you read its mood. How narratives spill beyond crypto? Crypto doesn't live in isolation. Its stories often follow or even amplify what's already happening in the global economy. When AI became the buzzword in tech stocks, AI coins followed. When real-world assets started trending in finance, RWA tokens surged. Narratives flow where attention flows, across markets, from Wall Street to Web3. Now, as we enter 2026, old stories evolve and new ones quietly begin. The headlines may change, but the core remains. Technology meets emotion. Let's explore the narratives already taking shape. AI isn't going away. It's getting smarter. In 2026, AI blockchain may dominate. AI agents with crypto wallets, paying for data, trading on their own. It's the birth of the machine economy. Next, DePIN, decentralized infrastructure, real networks powered by everyday people. You share your internet, bandwidth, or solar energy, earn tokens for supporting the network. The world is waking up to privacy. As AI collects more data, people want control. Crypto could reward you for sharing and protect what's yours. 2026 might belong to tokens that secure identity and reward consent. As climate tech grows in traditional markets, green crypto could mirror it. Imagine mining powered by renewables, tokenized carbon credits, and clean energy chains. This time, profit aligns with sustainability. The human element. Behind every narrative is emotion. Curiosity, greed, hope, fear. Technology changes, human nature doesn't. If you can read emotion, you can read the market. Let's recap. Narratives drive markets. They start small, grow fast, and fade only to be reborn. And 2026 will bring news stories, AI blockchain, DePIN, privacy, green crypto, and maybe few narratives we may have never heard in our life. Stay curious, stay grounded, and keep learning, because the next big story is already writing itself. We're a new channel sharing simple, clear lessons on crypto and finance for beginners. Our goal is to reach 100,000 subscribers. Help us grow by subscribing, sharing, and spreading the word. Until next time, keep hustling.